Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log in SBI Maldives online banking. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to log into SBI Maldives online banking, the first thing that you need to do is open up a browser, then on the search bar type in MB State Bank or simply SBIMaldives.com. Then once you're inside the homepage of the SBI, what you need to do is tap on the three horizontal bars at the top right corner of the screen. Then among the options you'll find corporate online banking or retail online banking. Simply select the one that applies to your account. Then once you do that, what you need to do is you'll be prompted to enter your login details. All you gotta do is type in your username or customer ID, then enter the ID provided by the SBI Maldives during registration, and then your password and PIN by entering your online banking password. But to do it first, simply fill in the captcha code and then tap on proceed. Then you'll be prompted to enter the OTP code sent to your registered mobile number. All you gotta do is enter the OTP correctly to verify your account. Then after successful login, your SBI Maldives online banking dashboard will open. You can now check account balance, transfer money locally or internationally, pay bills, view account statements, and manage your cards. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.